everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am Ashley with SoSHELLing, and today we are going to make a Christmas tree. This is an oyster Christmas tree made out of eastern oysters from the Atlantic Ocean and a flat orange starfish. So this tree can get heavy very quickly. So what I would recommend is making it small. You don't want to make it big because the bigger it gets, the heavier it gets, and we don't need any more heavy stuff in our life, right? So what I used is a styrofoam base and then just the oyster shells and one starfish, and you just need hot glue. Now, what I do recommend, because I don't talk during this tutorial, is that make sure your oysters are flat. They're obviously not going to be perfectly flat, but try to get them as flat as possible. This will make layering the oysters easier, and you want to start from the bottom and work your way up, and then do your star last, just like you would your normal Christmas tree. Now, what I've done in the past, I didn't do today because I didn't have any, but you can get pearls, not real ones, you know, the fake ones, and you can glue a pearl onto each oyster. So I didn't do it. It's a really nice touch, but it's also really nice just to leave your tree plain and as is. So if you end up making this, let me know. Tag me on Instagram, is flshelling, and make sure you're also following me on there. I do live sales 4 days a week currently, and I have an Etsy shop. So if you need oysters or starfish, go to my Etsy shop. Shipping is free as long as you spend $35, which is totally easy because I have more than just shells on my my Etsy shop. I have trees, so if you don't want to make a tree, you can buy a tree. They go pretty fast though. Usually, like when I get new items in, I put them on the live sale first, and then if they don't sell on the live sale, I post them on the website because it kind of takes a while. Actually, I don't think I've ever had one make it to a website. So yeah, definitely like hop on a live sale if you can, but always check back closer to Christmas too, because I will have plenty of these available. But if you do want to make one, it's so easy. It takes about 10 minutes. I mean, it probably takes longer to order or go buy the styrofoam cone. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you have any comments, suggestions, any ideas for things you'd like to see in the future, please let me know. Just comment below, and I love it. I love reading your comments, and I love getting new ideas for arts and crafts because I'm super artsy. So let me see yours, and I hope it turns out good.